We're really happy to be invited by Sartorius to join the Pharma Exchange Forum. The experience has been great. It's a great exchange with colleagues across the industry and looking at the latest trends and developments. A key factor we are seeing is the adoption of AI, but we need to start at the foundation, which is the data. Generating high quality data is a key enabler, and that generation of data requires proper integration. And that's why we're very happy about our partnership with Sartorius, where we are bringing instrument data from Sartorius equipment to all those data consumers that need it, including AI systems, machine learning systems, leading systems such as LIMS, CDS and ELN. The solution we are launching together is integration of balances with chromatography data systems. That's a huge productivity and data integrity gain, because typically when we are thinking about instrument integration, it's only vertical with leading systems. Now we're doing horizontal integration across the workflow, and here we can make a real difference.